Hey, good morning, everybody. Your boy here, LP, truly dialing in real quick just to let you know, coming up in August, third week of August, August 28th at 6 p.m., I will be hosting an event with this gentleman, Ernest Caston of Premier Midwest Realty. Take a good look at that, man. This is a good brother, very passionate about real estate, especially here on the south side of Chicago and in the south suburbs. But starting promptly on August 28th at 6 p.m. at his office in South Holland, located at 548 East 162nd Street, we will be hosting a Q&A for you, renters, realtors, homeowners, investors, anyone who's interested in, getting your questions answered truthfully, honestly, about what it takes to get ready to buy, what it takes to fire your landlord, what it takes to buy a multi-unit, down payment assistance, and renovation financing. And I say that again, renovation financing. Buy a dump, turn it into your home. Design it with the contractor the way you want it to be. We will touch on all of those things in a 2-hour Q&A. Myself, Ernest, a couple other professionals from the local areas right here in your backyard. Some of us are your neighbors. Today I'm posted right here from the home office in Bronzeville, or the low end as some of you call it, because of the relationships I'm nourishing and projects that I'm working on this way. But essentially, I'll be back in Oak Brook later this week to meet with another one of my partners west of 355. So be sure to follow me here on social media for information in regards to the itinerary that's going to come with this presentation on August 28th, 6 p.m. at Premier Midwest Realty, located in South Holland, Illinois. Okay? I want to tell you guys, get your questions together because we're going to come with all the answers for you. Have a good day.